Hi guys, James here. Welcome to KommanduerWagen Modelworks, and this is part 1 of the build of Tamiya's 1/48 scale German Steyr Type 1500A KommanduerWagen. Now obviously, yep, I've been busy. Now I've done some assembly. I've done some assembly. Obviously the kit all fits. So obviously the wheels and so forth. And the wheels fall off. So there we go. The bits of the body fit on there quite nicely. Front and rear, the bonnet and the hood, and the trunk. And obviously I've got the seats ready to go because they need painting. So I should put that one in there. Like so. Oh well, you know what I mean anyway. And the booting goes on like so. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop the camera and get this primed. Chassis needs to be black anyway, so I suspect I'll use Mr. Surfacer Black. The underside of this, I think it's going to be the same colour. It doesn't really matter. I'll probably paint it sand or dark yellow. Should correctly dark yellow. Yeah, and obviously we'll have a bit of fun with the painting and assembling. So I'll see you in a bit. So we're back again. Yes, I've been busy painting. Yes, I've missed a part there. Never mind, I'll have to go back and paint that later. So hopefully I'll see you a bit later this afternoon when I should be assembling it, or get some of this. Most of the assembly will be done anyhow, so I'll see you later. Right, so we're back again. It's back in the afternoon. So everything's dry. I picked up my glue of choice, my VMS Flexi 5K, because I'm going to glue the exhaust on. Drop of it in there. And this is where I've rehearsed this, and this is where, if things go wrong, it's not my fault, okay? So I've got the glue in the back in the I keep dropping the bloody thing, never mind. So and that's the exhaust on. And then I've got a feeling it's the wheels go on next. Yep, it's the wheels. So we shall get some Revel contact here. and that's it. Dollop the glue in the back. We've got a little bit to paint on the chassis, but I'll deal with that later. So like so. I should point out this has been painted with Mr. Finishing Surfacer Black, then the treated with the MRPs for the most part, and then the body is Outlaw dark yellow. So next stick the wire back in there. And that's part 2 of the destructions done there. And this one's going to be part 3. Now, obviously I've done this. I glued that bit onto there. So what I've got to do is just dab a little bit of VMS Flexi 5K onto the front part of that, onto there, and that's there. Dab that in there. Get my handy dandy screwdriver. Or the question is, where are you going to bloody hold the thing? Like so. That's on like that. You've got a little bit of detail painted to do on the gear levers and handbrake, etc. Obviously part 4 is done because I've got those on there. Looking at where to go from here. So back part of the chassis here. Just tacking that in place. Obviously we've got to tack the touch and flow with the Tamiya extra thin. That's the back on of the and also just tack it on there. So there we go. That shows you what a good fit it is. The boot lid can go on now, so this is such a lovely fit that there we go. That's that done. Oops, never mind. Just let that dry off. And then, obviously we've got to paint that up, touch that up there underneath there, because I've got a decal to go on the on that piece there. And then we've got to paint up these little handrails. But I think I'll have to do that later. So I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes and let the glue go off. And in the meantime, I'm going to go and pop over to the spray booth and just paint up the bulkhead inside of the bulkhead, because I missed that bit for some silly reason. And then obviously we can plonk that on there. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, so I've done my bits of painting on here. Touched that up. So hopefully we shall get the seats in. Let's go something like that, don't they? I'll do that off camera, purely because I've got to paint the rails on the back of the seats. I need my optivisor, which is up on my other workbench. I also need to fit that decal into here. Okay. As you can see there, we're making some good progress on this here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.